definitely a lot of people here this weekend. Awesome to see everybody out riding. That's what it's all about. There's the John Deere. I'll do it still. Perfect. I'll freeze it and I'll send it to you. Slowly, so low. Lord, won't you take me home? The day's gonna come when the sun goes down. The day's gonna come when the sun goes down. Shallow grave by the riverside, marked off with a granite stone, and the day I died, let down for no good reason, chose to walk the way I did, and now whatever I see coming up ahead. Alright, obstacle course is done. Gonna go head back to camp, do some cooking real quick, and then come back down for the mud drags, I think, here in a little bit. So we'll see what's going on. Go get some steaks cooked up, have some fun with the friends, and get back to the business. It's time to start cooking. Little camping barbecue action. Oh yeah, yeah, it's gonna be good. I have a feeling. Yes, sir. Girls, smile. Hey, smile. It's video, so. Smile, Dave. Wow. Calling Dave. Hey, Kurt. Actually, that's good. The screen's kind of hiding the ugly. That's some good news right there.
Yeah, buddy.
Mm-hmm. Yum. It's one thing we don't go without is food.
Especially when Bub's around.
Oh, yeah. Well, there's no going without food when Bub's around. Shoe 'em all. Does it smell good? Does it smell good? You're like, I need some of that.
It don't need no fucking beer, Dad. It is low and slow right now. There's barely anything coming off there.
Yeah, yo, hey. Look at that. Look at that technique.
Yeah, look at them taters.
Split this one.
Yeah. Keeper. Make some good food. Oh yeah. Got the smoke going now. Fuck, may as well. Got the top off. Stroke it. Stroke it. Yeah, they're starting to show up. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, slow motion. Stroke it. Bones are starting to come on. Yeah. Camp cooking. Can't beat it. Look at these things. They look even better on camera. It's funny. The camera view is better than the actual, like, looking at them view with my own eyes. Doesn't make sense.
They're getting there, bud.
Yeah, they are. Look at that. Whoa! I was just responding back. Look at that. That is sex on flames. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's sexy.
I'm going bald too. It's all over.
Jesus, you're ugly. Look at how ugly it is. Holy shit.
Right there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do that again.
That's the Griffin Seed hairline right there.
Wow, I guess it's coming in.
Fuck me running.
Yeah, you are ugly.
Hey,
No
he did
problem.
send me a Christmas letter.
Holy fuck. What?
Turn it light over here.
Shut the fuck up.
Kid needs help. Turn the light.
I'm getting there. Look at that.
Bones are sideways.
Oh, yeah. Kimmy,
Ooh.
get the fuck out of there. You're
Toughen
messing
up.
up.
Order.
Yeah.
Trisha, watch this. You're not taping this, are you?
Yeah, I am.
There you go, brother. Best piece there.
Right there. Miles, you want that?
Oh.
I ate it. Stop making noise in the background, damn it. Trying to take a video of Bubba like making a masterpiece of a meal here. Trying to get some food porn for the video.
It's a hangover special.
A hangover special. Sex on the grill. Food porn 101. Steak, eggs, and A1. All right, day number 4, Tall Pines. Gonna go for a little ride, and then we're gonna go hit the bounty hole and see if we can witness Sam taking a win maybe this year. See what happens. But good day for riding. Weather's perfect. Ready to go have some fun with the friends. Now let's see if we can find somewhere to park and view and video. Might be a tougher one. Already loaded up pretty quick. Is what it is. Maybe I can get an assist with somebody. We'll find out here in a moment. See if I can find Tom. So Sam, you got any last words?
Somebody fund me money.
We'll put this on a GoFundMe. Jesus, it's ugly.